So how do you set up your Facebook pixel on your Shopify store? Really simple process, and it's absolutely vital if you're going to be running Facebook ads to that store. What the Facebook pixel does in a nutshell is it's a piece of code that goes onto your store and it tracks everything that people do on your store. So it tracks when they visit pages, it tracks when they add to cart, it tracks which pages they visit, and basically you can use all of this data when you're advertising to retarget people who are showing an interest in your product or service, and to create bigger lookalike audiences made from people who've either purchased or shown purchase intent or something like that. It's absolutely essential to do. So let's jump straight in and I'll show you how to do it. Very easy, very quick. So first off, I'm in the Ads Manager. If you don't know how to get to the Ads Manager, I did make another video very recently about how to do that, which I'll link in the description. So you're in the Ads Manager, you want to go to the top left. It should look something like this. If you're new to it, you might see some ads in here if you've actually already run some. This is just an example account that I use. So you want to go to the top left here, click on the three dots, and then go to Business Settings. So it should show up here. If not, you can scroll down and it'll usually be on the left at the bottom as well. So you click Business Settings, and then on this left-hand column, you want to come down to where it says Data Sources. Give that a click, and then you will see Pixels. So the first part of the pixel process setup is to create the pixel in the Facebook Ads Manager for your business, and then go to Shopify and install it in the store. Really easy to do. So I've clicked on pixels. You can see I've already got my pixel here for another Ads Manager that's in the same business account, but you probably won't see anything here on yours. So just click Add, and then this loads up, and we'll just call this My Store Pixel. Obviously name it after your store. This you don't need to put in, and just click Continue. Give that a second to load. So your pixel isn't ready yet, of course. All you've done now is you've created the pixel. What you need to do now is link it to the store, and you can do this through either manually putting the code into the store, or if you're using Shopify, which I hope you are if you're watching this video, you can do it very, very quickly with Facebook's integrated Shopify app. So you want to click on Set Up the Pixel Now. And Facebook will ask you, do you want to do it manually or do you want to do it using a partner integration? So you click on the top one, Add Code using partner integration. Give that a sec. And then if you scroll down, you'll see Shopify. Click on that. And here we are. So you jump into Shopify. I've just created this store for this video, so there's nothing going on in here at all, but yours might look similar if you've just started and you're setting up your pixel for the first time. And the way to install the pixel, super easy. Click on Online Store on the left hand side here, scroll down to Preferences, give that a click, and then if you scroll down here, you'll see the sections for Google Analytics, and then here's the section for the Facebook pixel. So click on Set Up Facebook. You'll need to download the Facebook app and add it to your store. So you'll come up with this page and just click Add Sales Channel. The sales channel is now added to your store and it's ready to use. Click on Accept All, and you can see you've now got the Facebook and Instagram channel added to your store. So I'll go through, there's some information there that you can have a look at in your own time. Just click on Start Setup to get this pixel connected. The first thing that you'll do is connect your account. So you need to be logged in on Facebook when you start this process. Give that a click. Now it will show you your business assets. So for me, there's quite a lot of stuff in here because I run ads professionally for various clients. So I've got all of their client accounts connected to my account. But what you want to do is go in here and find your business page that you're going to connect to this account. So for this purpose, I'll just click on my page here and then click Connect. And now this is quite an important part. Facebook's asking you about your data sharing preferences. So this is to do with how much data you're going to allow Facebook to track on your website. So if you're on conservative, obviously they're going to track a smaller amount. If you're on maximum, they're going to track as much as they want. So you very likely want to be clicking on maximum. Just make sure that you add this information into your GDPR page on your website at a later date. But always click maximum, which integrates Facebook's conversions API. Basically, that helps Facebook to track stuff that's happening on your website that they might not have been able to track as a result of the iOS 14.5 updates. And click save. So data sharing is now set up. And here you will see your pixel that you already created a couple of minutes ago in your ads manager. So make sure, again, I've got a couple of different ones in here because it's connected to my main account, but you want to click on the one that you created, which is here, My Store Pixel, and just click connect. That's now connected. Agree to the terms and submit for review. And there we go. You're ready to start selling on Facebook sales channels. Done. So you can see if you go into the settings here, you'll be able to see all of those settings again. My Store Pixel is connected, it's set to maximum, conversions API is active, etc. Everything's as it should be. So you're all good, you're connected up in your Shopify store. Now you need to go back to your ads manager and simply click on this button here. I've completed the setup on Shopify. Click next. Then you need to enter your Shopify address. So for me, it's just one of these myshopify.com ones because it's just an example store. Paste it into here and click send traffic. Important note, before you send traffic, if you are using an ad blocker, make sure that you turn that off because it will block the signal from the pixel and it will make you think that the pixel's not working when it actually is. So make sure you turn off the ad blocker and then click send test traffic. So here's my store, amazing store. Traffic is sent, and then you just wait on here for a couple of minutes. Usually doesn't take too long, and hopefully this section here will say active. And there you go, now it's come up and it says active. If it doesn't work the first time, which it actually didn't for me, but I just skipped past it on the video to get to the point, just reload it and try it again. Sometimes it can take a couple of minutes for the pixel to actually become active properly on the website. But that is it. Now it says active, which means that your pixel is active on your store. Just click next. Setup complete. So that's it. Your pixel's now on your website. It will automatically track page views, adds to cart, purchases, etc. And you'll be able to use those audiences to retarget later on your ads and also to track your ad data to see how effective things are being. So how many people are going from your ad to the page and then how many people are going from the page to actually add into cart, etc. Super easy to do. Hope that helps.